सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम सारानु। मेरा नाम है विपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे YouTube चैनल पे जिसका नाम है And friends, here I am, your host Vipin Pal Singh, came up with altogether a new property option for all of you in Palam Vihar, Gurgaon. And friends, the property which we are going to explore today is not a flat, not a floor. In fact, it is a 170 square yard constructed plot. So there is nothing wrong in saying that the property which we are going to visit today is an independent house, and we can also say that it is a koti. And the property which we are going to visit today has basement, stilt, and the 4 floors erected on it. So it is an independent property which, besides being east facing, is also surrounded by almost all basic amenities like hospitals, schools, and local markets. So without wasting any time, let's go and check out the property which I'm talking about. Let's go. So friends, this is the service lane, and towards my right is the property which we came to visit today. So let me show you the property. Let me park the car first. So friends, that being the main road, and this is the green belt in front of the property which you will get. You can construct it as a green belt, or you can use it as a parking space, being the outdoor parking space, as per your choice. And opposite to this green belt provided over here, this is the property which we came to explore today in this Palam Vihar Block A. So friends, this is the basement cum 4 floor structure which is constructed on this 170 square yard plot, which is basically an independent house, and this is the main entrance to this house. And as you can see, it is provided with these 3 doors. So this being the main means the individual entry door, whereas this is the door which you can use while parking your cars on the stilt floor of this property. So my dear friends, this being the description of the property from the outside, and now let's go inside and check out the property from inside. So this being the main entry door, moving inside will bring us to the stilt floor of this property. So friends, as you can see, this being the main entrance from where we have entered into this premises, and as you can see towards my right, this is the segment provided over here where you can have your gas cylinders placed, and here these individual pipelines are going upward to each and individual kitchen. And towards, again moving my camera towards my right, this is the stilt floor where you will get a parking space of 6 cars on this stilt floor. And at the back end of this property, there is a 5,000 liter underground water tank provided with the electric motor provided at the rear end. And friends, also on this stilt floor towards my left, as you can see, this is the servant room provided over here, along with the attached, not the attached, basically the washroom, servant washroom provided over there on the second door. So behind the second door basically. And let me step forward, let me show you that this is the rear end of this property, or basically this is the rear end of this stilt floor, and over here this electric motor is placed, as you can see, and the rear end of this stilt floor is provided with this tile work, and same is provided at the front as well. As you can see, that particular wall is provided with the tile work, and same is provided towards the right where we have seen that segment where cylinders you can place. So this is the stilt floor, my dear friends, and I'm sorry it is bit messy at this moment because the raw material related to lift has been kept over here, and let me tell you that the lift which is going to be installed in this property is of Johnson make. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed the stilt floor of this property, and now let's step forward and start exploring the other parts of this property. So starting from this lift lobby cum staircase area. So stepping inside, let's explore this one first. So friends, over here, as you can see, this is a lift lobby cum staircase area. Towards my right, left, this is the staircase, and towards my right, this is the shaft where this Johnson lift is about to be installed. So as you can see, the installation work is going on, and this lift will cater basement, stilt, all the floors, all the 4 floors, as well as terrace. So the working of the lift will be from the basement to the terrace. So this is one of the best thing about this property. And now turning my camera to the right, these are the stairs which is leading us to the first floor of the property now. And friends, before jumping onto the exploration of the first floor, let me tell you that this glasswork provided over here in this staircase area will certainly ensure this natural light to come inside this staircase area, as well as that openable panel provided will certainly keep this staircase area ventilated. So with this description, let's climb these stairs and explore the first floor of this property. So friends, here we are at the first floor of the property, and as you can see here, the lift and doors will be installed once the lift will be installed in this property. And over here, this is the 7 feet tall wooden door entrance provided over here. The first thing which you will notice that this is the first property which I am showing on this channel, which is having this wire mesh door provided at the front. Behind this wire mesh door is this main entrance door provided over here. This is a 7 feet tall wooden door provided over here, which is the main entrance to the floor. So stepping ahead, this is the layout of the floor which we came to explore. So friends, before starting the exploration of this floor's each and individual corner, let me tell you that the type of flooring which is provided over here on this floor is a combination of Italian marble as well as the vitrified tiles. And this Italian marble is provided on this first and the second floor, whereas the third and the fourth floor is provided completely with the vitrified tile flooring. Also friends, before starting the exploration of this floor, let me tell you that the Jaguar geysers and the Orient fans are provided as a standard fitment by the builder, and also builder has promised once the property will be sold, the kitchen is provided. The kitchen of all the floors will be provided with the chimney as well as hob as a standard fitment by the builder. So this is the entire description about the floor, and with this now let's start exploring its each and individual corner. So as you can see my dear friends, this is the main entrance to the floor, and adjacent to the main entrance this is the puja section provided over here. So this is the puja section which is provided with some cupboard spaces behind it. So these are the pull-outs provided over here, as you can see, and over here this is the cupboard space provided where you can keep your stuff related to puja under these cabinets. And now turning my camera to the left, my dear friends, this is the drawing room area of the floor. So friends, this is the drawing room area of the floor, and as you can see it is provided with this Italian marble flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this drawing room area. And also friends, in this drawing room area, this Orient fans as well as roof lights are provided as a standard fitment by the builder, and towards this side this air conditioner provision is also provided over here by the builder. And in this drawing room area towards my left, this is a UPVC toughened glass door provided over here, which is coupled with this wire mesh panel, which is ensuring natural light as well as natural air to come inside this drawing room area. And this is the door which is leading us to the front side balcony of this floor. So without wasting any time, let's quickly explore the front side balcony of this floor before exploring the other part of this property, I mean this floor. So this being the front side balcony. So friends, this is the front side balcony of the floor, and as you can see this is the type of flooring which is provided over here in this front side balcony. And again, this is the SS304 railing coupled with this toughened glass protection provided over here in this front side balcony. And this is the outer view from this front side balcony, my dear friends. And friends, at the front, this is the area which I was talking about at the start of the video, which you can develop as a green belt or you can use it as a parking space. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed the front side balcony of this property as well. And now moving back from this front side balcony to the drawing room area of this floor, let's explore the other parts of this floor. So my dear friends, exiting this drawing room area, we again came to this lobby cum dining space area of the floor. So friends, this being the lobby cum the dining space area of the floor, and this is again provided with this Italian marble flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this lobby cum dining space area. And this is the main entrance, this being the puja section, and this is the space which is provided where you can have your refrigerator placed. Opposite to this is the common washroom provided over here on this floor, and let's quickly explore this also. So friends, this being the common washroom comes the attached washroom to the second bedroom of the floor, and it is provided with this separate wet area, all Jaguar fittings, as well as the geyser provided over here is also of Jaguar, and same Crompton fan is provided over here. And this is the false ceiling work provided over here in this common washroom comes the attached washroom to the second bedroom of the floor, and this is the shade of tiles which is provided over here. Again, the Jaguar fittings provided over here, and this is the vanity space provided over here which is yet to be completed. So this being the common washroom comes the attached washroom to the second bedroom. So this is the door from where we have entered into this common washroom, and this is the door which is leading us to the second bedroom of the floor. So my dear friends, now exiting this will bring us back to this lobby cum dining space area of the floor, and now we are going to explore the kitchen of this floor. Look, this is the kitchen of this floor, and it is provided with this nicely designed wooden door at the entrance. And now stepping ahead, let's explore the kitchen of this floor. friends, this is the kitchen of the floor, and as you can see, it is provided with this vitrified tile flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this kitchen area. And friends, over here in this kitchen area, this Jaguar instant geyser as well as Crompton fan is provided as a standard fitment, and along with this, builder has also promised that he will also provide kitchen chimney and the hob as a standard fitment. So with this, my dear friends, let's start exploring the kitchen of this floor. So this being the UPVC toughened glass window provided over here, which is coupled with this wire mesh panel, ensuring natural light as well as natural air to come inside this kitchen area of the floor. And with this brief discussion about the kitchen, let's start quickly exploring the storage space which is provided over here in this kitchen area. And friends, as you can see, these are the shapes of tile which is provided over here in this kitchen area of the floor, and it is provided with this black granite slab, as you can see. And with this, now let's quickly start exploring the wooden work provided over here in this kitchen area, and starting the exploration of the wooden work from this corner. So let's quickly start exploring the wooden work provided above the slab first. So this is the cabinet space provided over here, my dear friends. Moving further, this is the space which is provided over here where the chimney will be placed, and moving further again, this is one more cabinet space provided over here. And now turning my camera to the opposite side, this being the dishwashing area provided over here, and above it, this is the stainless steel rack section provided over here to keep your wash utensils over here. And above that, this Jaguar instant geyser is also provided, which is provided as a standard fitment. And moving further, this is some more cabinet space provided over here. And over here, this pantry section is provided where you can have your microwave as well as oven placed. So let me show you the amount of space which it is having. So as you can see, it is having plenty of space. So this being the woodwork provided over here in this kitchen area above the slab, and now is the time to quickly explore the wooden work provided over here beneath the slab. So starting from this corner again, these are the pullouts provided over here. Very smooth in operation, as you can see, with soft closing. This is the cutlery section provided over here. This will be the burning point in this kitchen area. Moving further, some more pullouts, big gigantic drawers. Again, this being the dishwashing area, so this is the bin section provided over here. Moving further, some more cabinet space provided over here. As you can see, huge cabinet space is provided over here. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed the kitchen of this floor as well. And now moving out of this kitchen, let's quickly explore the bedrooms on this floor. So as I've told you that this is a 2 BHK, means on each floor there are 2 bedrooms provided. So this being the master bedroom, and this is the second bedroom of the floor. So let's first explore the master bedroom of this floor. So friends, as you can see, this is the master bedroom of the floor, and over here this vitrified tile flooring is provided, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this master bedroom of the floor. And over here in this master bedroom, this UPVC toughened glass door coupled with the wire mesh panel is provided over here, which is allowing natural air as well as natural light to come inside this master bedroom of the floor. And this UPVC toughened glass door is leading us to the backside balcony of the floor, which we will explore later after exploring the second bedroom of the floor. And turning my camera towards my right, this is the TV console design provided over here in the master bedroom of the floor. So again, turning my camera towards my right, these are the wardrobe space provided over here in this master bedroom of the floor. So friends, without wasting any time, let's quickly explore the wardrobe space provided over here in this master bedroom. Let's open all these panels. So friends, this is the wardrobe space which is provided over here in this master bedroom. As you can see, it is provided with these 4 internal drawers as well as 2 external drawers. And from here, turning my camera again towards the left, this is one more wardrobe section provided over here in this master bedroom. So let's quickly explore this also. So friends, this is the space which is provided over here behind the panels of this wardrobe section provided over here in this master bedroom of the floor. So this particular area you can use as a dressing area, as over here this mirror is also provided. And now from here, turning my camera towards my left, let's closing this panel. This is the attached washroom to the master bedroom provided over here. Let's enter this and let me show you the attached washroom. So friends, this is the attached washroom to the master bedroom of the floor. As you can see, it is provided with this shade of tiles, and again it is provided with this separate bed area, Jacquard fittings, Jacquard geyser installed, Crompton fan, and over here this is the wash basin come the vanity space provided beneath it. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed the attached washroom to the master bedroom of the floor, and now exiting this will bring us to this master bedroom, and now exiting this will bring us to the lobby area, and now the only thing which is left to be explored is the second bedroom of the floor. So friends, this is the second bedroom of the floor, and as you can see, this is provided with this vitrified tile flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this second bedroom of the floor. And friends, in this second bedroom, again this UPVC toughened glass door coupled with the wire mesh panel is provided, which is leading us to the backside balcony, as well as it is ensuring natural light and natural air to come inside this room. And turning my camera to the left, this is the TV console design provided over here in this second bedroom of the floor. And again turning my camera back to right, this is the wardrobe space provided over here in this second bedroom of the floor. And friends, as you can see, the wardrobe which is provided over here is provided with these sliding panels. So let's quickly explore the space provided behind these panels. So opening this side of the wardrobe first. So over here this rack section is provided, and now opening this side of the wardrobe, this is the wardrobe space provided on the other side of the wardrobe, as you can see. And similarly, this again cupboard space is provided above this section also. So this is the total wardrobe space provided over here in this second bedroom of the floor. And opposite to these wardrobes provided over here in this second bedroom, this is the door which is leading us to the attached washroom come the common washroom of the floor, which we have already explored while exploring the lobby come the dining space area of the floor. So this being the common washroom come the attached washroom to the second bedroom, and now is the time, my dear friends, to explore the backside balcony of this floor. So moving out will bring us to this backside balcony. So friends, this is the backside balcony of the floor, and as you can see, this is the type of flooring which is provided over here in this backside balcony. And this backside balcony, besides being accessed from this second bedroom, can also be accessed from the master bedroom of the floor through that door. And over here these taps are provided, and this particular area you can use as a washing area. Basically you can wash your clothes over here by placing the washing machines over here. So this is the backside balcony of the floor, and this is the outer view from this backside balcony, my dear friends. So with this, my dear friends, I have shared with you each and every corner of this floor, and now is the time to explore the terrace of this floor. So now moving out, let's climb some stairs and explore the terrace of this floor. So friends, this is the terrace of this property, and it is provided with this type of flooring, as you can see. This is the terrace, and over here the stairs are provided which will lead you to the overhead tank area. So this is the terrace, my dear friends, and this is the outer view from this terrace area. Let me show you the outer view. The property is just opposite to this mall constructed, and that is where it is. That is Columbia Asia Hospital. So it is rightly said by me at the start of the video that it is surrounded by local markets, hospitals, as well as schools. So property is really nice. This is the outer view. So with this, my dear friends, I have shared with you the terrace of this property as well, and I hope you like the layout of the property which I have shared with all of you today. And if you like the layout of this property as well as the property, please don't forget to hit the like and share button. And if you are finding the content shown on this channel appropriate, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because it is ultimately for the support of my channel. The more you hit the subscribe button, the more the confidence I will gain, and it will ultimately motivate me to bring more such content for all you guys on this channel. And with this, friends, now is the time to discuss the price of the property which I have just shared with you in Palam Vihar Block A. So the price of this property, the entire property with basement, straight floor, and the 4 floors erected on the top, is 4 crore 70 lakh. In order to become the owner of this property, you need to contact me and the number of mine is flashing on the screen. So with this, my dear friends, I Bipin Pal Singh signing off for today with the promise to meet you again with altogether a new video and a new property option. So till then, take care of yourself, your family and stay in good health. Goodbye guys.